epic day, man. Such an epic day of fishing. Winter fishing, baby. What's going on, guys? Out for another beautiful day. Another beautiful day, February 4th. Middle of winter. Freezing my ass off, but we're out here. We'll see what we can get on. Obviously, we don't have rockfish. Pelagics aren't out, but see if we can get on some calicos. I'm launching out of Oceanside today. Maybe we'll check some of the reefs in Carlsbad. Maybe the wall here. If need be, you know, I'll shoot down to La Jolla. Like I said, it's going to be mostly sand bass, calico. If we can get on them, we'll see what happens. You know, based on everything, it should be a terrible day. There was a full moon last night. You know, and it's freezing. I'm freezing my ass off. It's like 40-something degrees out. But we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get one or two. All right, guys. Oops. All right, let's see if we can find some new ground here. Nice. That calico. Bombed it out there, let it sink. About 100 feet of water. There you go. Nice calico in the boils here. We'll take it. Look at this crazy boil behind me. I guess in front of me. Absolute chaos over here. See if we can get in there. Crazy. There it is. Ooh, not huge. Another nice one though. $40-gram assassin. bait. There we go. Another one. That's a super fun boil. Looks like it died down though. Doesn't mean they're not still here, but they're pushing those mackerel. Big mackerel too. Good sized mackerel. They look like that. That's not even the biggest one I've had. I've been putting them down, but interestingly enough, they're not even eating the mackerel. They've just been eating the jigs. There's still some birds diving back there, so I'm gonna spin around and see if we got another cool little boil here. Calico. You know, the calicos and predatory fish are following the bait ball, just pushing them up. So when you're seeing the birds, that's because the fish are pushing the bait up from the bottom. So I'm just running around chasing these bait balls. They're everywhere right now, so it's super fun. They're not monsters. It's still a lot of fun, but it's moving fast. So like if I cast again, they're probably already, I can see the bait's already moving out. They haven't been staying, you know, it's like I get one or two casts, but they're just pushing so fast, so hard. It's crazy. I'm having to like pick up and move. And I'm just watching the birds. Like this spot, they've already pretty much left, but I could see them maybe another quarter mile out. So. But I think the birds are looking as well. They're not diving yet. But then once I see them start to dive, I'll go follow them. The birds are looking too. There we go. They're trying to follow the bait. So the boil kind of died down already. We'll see if they come back up. Just watch for more birds. There it is. Oh, that's a good one. Nice. And there, yeah, the boil's kind of right back there. Oh, he choked this thing. Absolutely smoked it. Oh my gosh. Huge boil back there. Yeah, so I don't see any more marks. So I'm following I could see the school when they move up. Kind of disappeared, but we're gonna go rush on this thing again. Like I said, it's just pushing. We're pretty deep. Let's go get them. We got some over here too. I don't know, we do have some right there. I don't know, I still see marks here. Maybe we'll try it here. There we go. Ah, oh, lost it. See if it comes back for seconds. There we go. Probably not the same one. With a tiny little calico. And they're on the bottom. They've been coming up to feed, but this little dink, that was just bottom pop, you know. Traditional slow pitch right there. Well, I think I'm gonna head back. It was really good fishing. There's still tons of fish out here. You know, a little slow in the morning. Was at the reef near Carlsbad. Got some calicos, some sand bass. That was pretty fun. But I actually came down here to La Jolla, so I'm gonna get back before it starts to get windy. I know wind's coming in late afternoon, so I'm gonna try to beat it. I mean, the bite was just crazy. Right now it's been almost every catch. At least if you just want to catch anything, the bait's been crazy. I mean, look at these marks right now where I'm just sitting. I mean, that's just a solid. Last time I cast on that, it was Calico, so they're pushing the bait up, super fun. You know, you can't ask for more in the middle, literally the middle of winter. Like I said before, it was 40 to 40 something degrees, like 46 degrees when I woke up, freezing when I launched the boat. Full moon. By all rights, it was supposed to be just terrible conditions today, but you know, just get out there, guys. Fish all year. It's not like summer is the only time you can fish. Just get out here and you get days like this where it's just phenomenal fishing. The fish are still here. They live here. They got to eat. And I might just even cast on this one more time before I go. All right, guys. Oos. One more cast. Left hand cast. One last cast. I knew those marks look good. Hell yeah. Oh my gosh, look at this toad. I was just about to pack it in. I just gave my whole monologue about going home. Look at this absolute monster. Freaking hog. I saw the marks, and like I showed you guys on the fish finder, there's a whole school of these guys down there, so I said one more cast before I go. Now I'm really gonna leave, I promise. But now I kind of want to stay seeing these guys, but I gotta beat the wind. Ooh, look at this thing. Big old pig. Biggest one today. Got the biggest one of the day. Now I'm really gonna go home. Epic day, man. Such an epic day of fishing. Winter fishing, baby.